Hi, James and Nicky from Fine and Country, and you've joined us here at the delightful high paddock, 6-bedroom country home with self-contained 1-bedroom annex. It sits in a plot of 12.5 acres, glorious gardens and grounds.
And just across the other side, you've got the addition of 2.4 acres with planning permission for a 2,000 square foot home, stables and a paddock in case you wanted to have horses. Follow us and let's go and take a look. You join us at the end of the tour in this delightfully landscaped garden. Next to us we have this amazing garden room, currently set up as a full gym. Behind us you've got views over your own land. If you would like to live in a luxury place like this, please get in touch with the details that follow.